Cortez. Dibela. Dibela. Steve. Cortez. Cortez. It's a troubling revolution.
Sabi, kung sa'yo kami tigdader lang, mauli na yan, bayaan mo yan.
Robusquillo. Back to Dibera. Dibera to Palencia. To Dibela. Dibela to Palencia. 10 seconds to shoot. Back to Dibela. Dibela. Good. Loose ball. Same ball. 5 seconds to keep. 5 seconds to shoot. Five seconds to shoot. It's a counted foul. It's fouled. Jersey number 1, Villahen. First personal foul, first team foul. The body shot, Lorenzo Skilla. No good. Rebound Begonia. To Cortez. Cortez to Rigori. Rigori for 2. No good. Rebound Cortez. 2 points, Cortez. Robusquillo. Robusquillo to Dibela. Back to Robusquillo for 3. Robusquillo to Nicholas. Rigori. Rigori. Loose ball, turnover. Dibela to Robusquillo. Robusquillo. Offensive foul by jersey number 17, Robusquillo. Second personal foul, first team foul. Cortez. Cortez. Good. Rebound Valencia to Robusquillo. Steve by Rigori. Rigori. Steve by Valencia. Valencia. Steve. Steve. Dibela. Foul. Is fouled. Jersey number 5, Rigori. First personal foul, second team foul. 19 seconds to shoot. 19 seconds to shoot. Valencia. No good. Rebound by Valencia. Second time. Third. Rigori. To Villahen. Cortez. Cortez. Rebound Villahen. No good. Rebound Valencia. Foul. Jersey number 1. Villahen. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Dibela to Debera for 3, no good. Rebound Villahen to Rigori. Rigori. No good. Loose ball, same ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Last 1 minute and 29 seconds. Bachelor. No good. Rebound Robusquillo. Carrying the ball, turn over. Last 1 minute and 22 seconds. Bachelor. 2
Ganda.
points, Bachelor. Robosio. To Di Vera. Di Vera. To Di Lasan. Last 1 minute. Back to Di Vera. Di Vera. Loose ball, turn over. Last 54 seconds. Rigore. 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 Stepping on the line. Turn over. Last 41 seconds. Robosquillo. Last 35 seconds. To De Mela. Last 30 seconds. Very good. Giovanni Vanya. Steve. Last 35 seconds. De Mela left. Very good. Last 20 seconds. No shot clock. Bachelor. Puertes. Foul. Who's fouled? Dean Lasan. Second personal foul. Second team foul. First row, no good. Last 15 seconds. Last row, jumpers ready. No good. Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds. Last 3.
Nice one.
The second quarter.
Yung dalawa kayo dyan, gitna oh.
Di Vela. Very good. This ball, same ball. 16 seconds to shoot. 16 seconds to shoot. Robosquillo. Stress. Very good. Ruan Diahen. Diahen. To Rigore. Rigore. To Primo. Vital. Save it. 13 seconds. 13 seconds to shoot. Cortez. 10 seconds to shoot. And this ball, save ball. 5 seconds to 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Good, good. Robosquillo. Offensive foul. A legal kick by jersey number 21. Di Bella. Third personal foul. Cortez. To Rigore. Foul. Jersey number 14. Di Lasan. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. 2 shots over 2 by Yahen. First row, no good. Last row, jumpers ready. Vera. 2 points, Vera. Cortez. Points, Cortez. Esquino. Bella. Bella to Vera. 2 points, Vera. Rigore to the end, Steve by Valencia to Di Bella. Di Bella to Robesquillo, 2 points, Robesquillo. Bella. Wow. His favorite. Jersey number 17. Time up. First row, yes, ball 1 point. Last row, jumpers ready. Complete basket. Rigore. Cortez. Cortez. Same ball. Binder to Robesquillo, sa 3, no good. Rebound Rigore, last 50 seconds. Rigore. It's a top violation. Last 48 seconds. Last 40 seconds. Traveling violation. Last 37 seconds. Last 30 seconds. Cortez. Cortez. Last 20 seconds. No shot clock. Last 15 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Foul. Spread. Number 10. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots, 7-2, Robesquillo. First round, no good. Last round, Jumpers ready. No good. Rigore. Last 5 seconds. Last 3. Last one out. And before the final quarter.
Basta lang yan, oh.
Gibela. Wow. Jersey number 1, Villahen. Third personal foul, first team foul. T-shirts, 72, Dilbera. First row, yes for 1 point. Last row, jumper is ready. Complete basket. Hermes. Next ball, Salva. 12 seconds to shoot. Bachelor, 10 seconds to shoot. To Rivera. 2 points, Rivera. Lasa, Israel Salvador. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. Same ball. 11 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds to shoot. Steal. Bachelor. Israel Salvador. Last 2 minutes and 52 seconds. 18 seconds to shoot. Bachelor to Regore. It's a traveling violation. Last 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Raboski to Divela. Divela for 2 points. Divela. Bachelor. Roosevelt turnover. Last 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Rebosquillo to Divela, to Divera, to Dinglasan, back to Rebosquillo. It's a traveling violation. Turnover. Hertes, last 2 minutes. Rebound Dinglasan. To Divela. Carrying the ball, turnover, last 1 minute and 50 seconds. Bachelor to Hertes, no good. Rebound, Rigore. 10 seconds to shoot. Hertes, no good. Rebound, Valencia for 2 points. Valencia. Rabosquilla. To Divera. Divela for 2, no good. Rebound Valencia. To Hertes. Change favor. 32-33. 1 point lead, Basketballeros.
the bench?
Foul. Jersey number 5, Rigori.
Papa pa di, Papa.
Tivera.
It was foul.
Rebosquillo. Rebosquillo sa 3. No good. Roosevelt. Turnover. Last 46 seconds. The final quarter. Cortez.
Screen!
Last 40 seconds. Steal by Di Bella. Last 23 seconds. Foul. It's fouled. Jersey number 5, Rigori. Third personal foul, third team foul. Last 31 seconds. First roll, yes for 1 point. Score, deadlock 33. Last roll, jumpers ready. Complete basket. Last 31 seconds. Rigori. Score 34-33, 1 point lead SGB. Steal, last 20 seconds. Foul. It's fouled. Pitching foul. Jersey number 5, Rigori. Running for foul out, running for penalty.
O, di ba penalty?
Lapit po pag matay mo. Last roll, 1 point. Last roll, jumpers ready. Last 17 seconds. All good. Timeout, basketballers. Last 14 seconds. Last 14 seconds. Cortez. Last 10 seconds. It's a total ball. It's fouled.
Mo yan!
It's fouled.
Shoot mo!
Jersey number 21. Di Bera.
Shoot mo!
Third personal ball, second team ball. The ball shot by Cortez.
Boyo! Yes, din si na Rosa. Mo!
Last 10 seconds. The ball shot by Cortez. Last 8 seconds. Last 8 seconds. Timeout, basketballeros. Last 8 seconds.
Tingnan mo, uguro mo. Shoot!
Last 5 seconds. Last 3. And on the fourth quarter. Beginning of the overtime. Both teams may isang timeout. Divera. Divera, no good. Rebound Valencia. Jump ball. Turn over. Cortez to Rigori. Rigori to Bachelor. No good. Rebound. This one. Turn over. Last 1 minute and 39 seconds. Di Bella to Rebosquillo. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. To Di Bella. It's a property violation. Rigori. Good. Rebound Miguel. Bachelor. Good. Rebound Valencia. To Di Bella. Last 1 minute. 2 points. Rebosquillo. Last 56 seconds. Cortez. Rebound Valencia. Last 45 seconds. Loose ball, same ball. Last 44 seconds. Di Bella. Last 40 seconds. To Rebosquillo. To Di Bella. Last 35 seconds. Out. Was fouled. Jersey number 5. Rigore. Pistaño in. Rigore fouled out. Penalty. Yes, for 1 point. So, jump ball is ready. That's 33 seconds. Jump ball. Same ball. Last 30 seconds. This ball, turn over, last 28 seconds. Running swell, 38-35, 3 points lead, SGB. Running ball, technical ball. Big bola.
Hey, lapit!
Last 25 seconds. Cortez. Last 21 seconds. Di Bella. Foul. There's number 8. Pistaño. First personal foul. Last 19 seconds. First row, yes, go 1 point. Last row, jumper is ready. Good. Rebound Diglasan. To steal by Valencia. Last 10 seconds. Ayan sa traveling Valencia. Last 9.6 seconds. 9.6 seconds.
Na. Aray ko.
9.6 seconds. Last 5 seconds. Last 3. Basa mo lang.